Good morning, it's Dr. Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I've got multiple questions about a particular organism called Akkermansia. Now, there must be a company out there that is manufacturing these probiotics, and so the question is it worth the money? Is the juice worth the squeeze, so to speak? What is Akkermansia? Why is it good for you? And is there something other than taking it in a capsule to improve your levels? Okay, Akkermansia is an obligate anaerobic organism. It lives deep in the recesses of the colon. There are a lot of organisms like that. They don't like oxygen. Oxygen can actually kill them. It's one of the reasons why I am not a fan of colonic irrigation, because you're introducing oxygen in a part of your body that's supposed to not have a whole lot of oxygen, and you're killing things like your Akkermansia. Why do you care about this organism? And there are many others probably like it. This one's all the rage right now because they've isolated it. And now that they've isolated, they can test it in people. And when they test it in people, people who are healthy have a higher population of this organism. So it seems to be important. The organism lives on the mucin layer of the colon. It likes mucin. Mucin is a protein that the lining of your colon, certain cells called goblet cells, will make a lot of these mucin protein. It protects the lining of the colon, and it prevents toxins from getting in between the cells of the lining of the colon. So it's an important layer. This bacteria lives on that. And that sounds terrible. However, that bacteria will chew up a little bit of the mucin, then make a substance that other bacteria in the area really like, and that substance will get converted to a short-chain fatty acid that your cells of the lining of the colon actually like, and you can actually make more mucin as a result. So the presence of that Akkermansia actually improves the health of the lining of the colon, even though it kind of is eating the lining of the colon, if you can kind of get that. So it's an important little cycle that goes around this Akkermansia. Now, it's hard to grow because it's an obligatory anaerobe, which means there can be no oxygen present, which means it's manufacturing, it's packaging. The capsule that you take, and as you swallow it, cannot be exposed to any oxygen at any time during that process. Otherwise, that organism's not going to get where it needs to go, and it will not be alive when it gets there. So are there better ways to improve this organism? The answer is you can. There is a natural substance called a phytophenol. These are naturally occurring colors that are in fruits and vegetables. So like purple potato, a purple sweet potato, a plum, a raspberry, dark chocolate, your wine. I mean, the fun things in life to eat actually contain phytophenols. And phytophenols, when they make it to your colon, feed this Akkermansia population, and they will grow in that way also. So I'm saying red wine, dark chocolate, raspberries. Watch the sugar part. Just do as much of that without the sweeteners as possible. And that's going to improve your gut health. It's yummy as well. So I think that's my answer to that question.